Hey guys, it is Heather with BP for You. Today I'm going to show you how to do an animal overlay. The one that I am using is the bunny from the Spring Overlay Bundle. So your first step is going to be to open up your photo into Photoshop. Then, once that's loaded, you're going to go in and find where your overlay is. So I have a Mac, so mine automatically goes into my downloads, but if you don't, it will be wherever you saved it. So you'll go in and you'll open up your bunny. I use the PNG files because there's no background onto it. If there is, I'll show you what to do in that case as well. So what you'll do is you'll click onto your bunny and drag it into your Photoshop. This will automatically do it. There's no other steps to get it into your screen. So what you'll see that the bunny is quite a bit bigger than the child, so we want to fix that. You're going to click Shift and hold it down, and then bring your right corner down. This will change the size of the bunny, but also keep it proportionate, so you're not going to be dealing with that. Once you have it to the size that you'd like, or you think that you'd like, then you're going to click and move it up. Once you have it in the area, you can take a look and see exactly what to do. If you want it bigger, if you want it smaller, if you want to move it, anything. Once you've decided on your placing, you're going to right click and hit place. Then, if you have a black background on your bunny at this point, you're going to click onto the bunny down here, or whatever the name of your overlay is. You'll come up here, click normal, and then hit screen. I don't have a background, so I don't need to do that on mine, but that will take away the black. So here you'll see that the bunny's feet are not blended in. That is because this is an overlay and it's a photo, but we want to take care of that. It's very easy, don't worry. You'll come down here, you'll click onto your bunny or your overlay, and then you'll come down and hit add layer mask. This will create a white box. This is very important to make sure that this is clicked when working with this overlay. So you'll come up and hit your brushes, and then come down and make sure that your color is switched to black. So with a brush and an overlay, when you have the overlay mask, the black brush will paint the overlay off, the white will paint it on. So because we want to blend it in, we want to take some of the feet off. So you'll just come over with a black brush and paint it on. So I have mine at 45 because I just want to take a little bit off of the top, most of the bottom. So I'll start with a lower opacity, and then when I'm ready to fully take it off, I'll move it up to 100. This will completely take the bunny off and blend it right into the grass. See? It's that easy. Thanks, guys.